Want more patience but feel like you're shouting into the void? It's time to make your practice impossible to ignore with local SEO. Stick around for 2 minutes, and I'll show you how to bring in those patients like clockwork.
Welcome to the Practice Growth Hub, your go-to spot for expert tips on boosting your medical marketing and growing your practice online.
First, get your Google My Business listing in tip-top shape. Think of it as your digital storefront. Make sure it's open, inviting, and screams, "We're the best." Accurate info, some killer photos, and bam, you're halfway there. Next up, local keywords. These little gems are what your potential patients are typing into Google. Use phrases like top massage therapist in North California or best therapist near me. Plaster these on your website and watch your rankings soar. Third, content is king, folks. Write blog posts that answer your patients' burning questions. Make videos showing off your skills. Content that's useful, relevant, and stuffed with the local keywords will keep you at the top of search results. Following, mobile optimization. If your site doesn't look slick on a phone, you're toast. Make sure it's fast, easy to navigate, and doesn't require a magnifying glass to read. Patients are on the go. Your site should be too. Finally, build those local backlinks. Partner with local businesses, get featured in local blogs, or just schmooze your way to the top. The more credible links you have, the more Google loves you, and so will your new patients. That's it. 5 quick tips to skyrocket your practice with local SEO. Ready to take action? Check out our checklist on our blog and start attracting more patients today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's grow your practice together.